Magic is real. It is not meant only for those who are spiritually or physically gifted. I firmly believe that every single person on this planet can tap into our own magical reserve and bless our lives. In fact, we are all capable of casting spells. We probably had cast spells already without even realizing it. Have you ever had tossed a coin into a fountain and made a wish? If yes, then you're already casting a spell. Even when we pray at night, it is already conjuring magic into our life. Magic simply means whatever you want it to mean. You may not realize how much of a wizard you already are. Then start believing and see what happens. Knowing how to write or cast a spell of your own will help you realize that magic can come to your aid anytime, anywhere. You don't need to be a witch or in a coven to make magic works. Let me tell you truthfully, any sort of ritual where you cleanse your thoughts and make your desires known is already considered a spell. However, the more detailed, organized, and focused your ritual is, the more powerful the result of your spell will be. While several factors are to consider when constructing your own spell, you need not to worry about making it perfect. As long as your intentions are good and your energy is clear, your spell will most certainly be effective. So here are the steps on how to perform an effective spell casting. Number 1. Cleanse or purify your space. Cleansing the energy in your space is the most important step in performing your own spell. How to do this? You can simply burn sacred herbs or resins such as sage, copal, myrrh, or palo santo. Could also be done by taking a stick of selenite crystal through the air surrounding the area where you conduct the spell. This act of cleansing is essential because you may be carrying negative energy that will conflict with the desired outcome of your spell. Number 2. Retain the 4 elements. This may not be absolutely necessary, but when organizing the components of your spell, you should keep the 4 elements in mind. You should include something to represent earth, fire, water, and air. An example will be a stone or a crystal could represent earth. A candle flame could represent fire. Purified liquid of any type could represent water. You can also be as creative with your representations by also combining symbols such as a ball of salt water could represent both earth and water, while a burning candle could represent both fire and air. Include as much or as little of each element as to what you see fit, calling on a specific power and energy ruled by each. What can be centered in motions would be water, earth for determination, air for intelligence, and a spell for passion would be fire. Number 3. Collect ingredients appropriately. In each spell that you perform, it should be associated with its corresponding herbs, color, scent, crystal, and talisman that you see fit to its meaning and usage of its own. Make sure you pick the appropriate ingredients and components to reflect the intention of your spell. You can use your creativity as you want with the way you incorporate these factors into your ritual. You can simply use a pink candle if you're working on a love spell, or a pink amethyst crystal if you want to increase psychic power. Number 4. Timing of spell in accordance. There is no loss to when you should cast a spell. You can do so whenever you want. However, if you're going through the trouble to collect the best ingredients and organize the spell accordingly, you should cast it at the most powerful time. Such factors to consider like the meaning behind each day of the week, the moon phases, and the astrological calendar. Pay attention to what horoscopes are saying about the planetary energy in the air to incorporate astrology. Number 5. Convey your intentions. Words that you use to focus on your desired outcome are extremely powerful. You can describe your intentions in several ways. You could either construct a mantra, a poem, or simply articulate your intentions in a very basic language. You can chant it over and over again until you can feel the vibrations or speak it once. You could jot it down or say it loud or even whisper would do. Important things you should remember is to use positive words and affirmative words, and the way you should describe your wish is as though it has been done and already come true. It is a no-no to cast a spell that affects the free will of someone else or to manipulate someone's feelings, because spells like this usually have severe karmic repercussions and must be undone. Number 6. Seek assistance from a higher power or deities. Requesting the assistance of angels or guides in magic is an extremely old practice. You could call out on God, the universe, or any Greek gods or goddesses such as Athena for wisdom and Aphrodite for love, or even fairy creatures, your choice. As long as you truly believe in it, all the magic in the world will be sent your way. Number 7. Show gratitude. When your spells come true, make sure you don't forget to say thank you. You have to acknowledge the effort the universe went through to bring you such luck. The more you show your appreciation and letting them know how grateful you are, the more the universe will be willing to help you in the future. This simple act of remembering the spell and saying thank you absolutely makes all the difference. So that's it, folks. These are all the steps you need to follow in order for you to manifest exactly or get what you really want out of life. I hope this video was able to guide you and help you achieve the things you desire most. If you like this video, please click the like button below, and you are also welcome to share your ideas and thoughts in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell icon to be notified for any upcoming videos. This is Carol, your Bida influencer. Thank you for watching and hope you have a good one.